The Last Word, a wonderful classic cocktail that has been the basis for so many modern classics. And today I'm going to show you how to make one. Like I said, this cocktail, I consider it to almost be a godfather cocktail because it's had so many different riffs spin off of it that are today considered to be modern classics. For example, if you've seen the last two videos on my channel on the Naked and Famous and the Paper Plane, both of them actually stem, at least in part, from this original cocktail. But if you haven't seen those two videos yet, check them out right here and then maybe come back to this one. But before I get too far ahead of myself, my name is Louie and welcome to my channel. On this channel, I post cocktail recipes, talk about my favorite spirits, bartending tips and tricks, and I talk about what it's like to own my own restaurant and bar. So if any of that sounds interesting to you, come on over here, hit that subscribe button, and hit that bell notification to never miss out on a video that I post. But all right, enough about me. Let's get back to this delicious, delicious cocktail. The Last Word is a Prohibition-era cocktail created at the Detroit Athletic Club. Now, don't ask me why they're inventing cocktails at a sports club, but hey, if you told me I couldn't drink, but instead I could go pretend to play some basketball and get drunk in the basement, that's what I'm gonna be doing, I'll be honest with you. And this cocktail was actually almost lost to history. It was only really revived, I believe, in the 90s or early 2000s by someone in Seattle, and from then on, it just kind of caught on like wildfire because people realized how fantastic this cocktail really was. But what exactly is it? It is a gin-based cocktail. It is 4 ingredients, equal parts, similar to the Paper Plane and the Naked and Famous, which I have already shown. And that format has been adapted by so many different bartenders to create so many fantastic cocktails. But all right, enough of my rambling, let's get to this cocktail, which is why you came here. So we are gonna grab our shaker, again, shaken cocktail. We're going to grab our jigger, and we are going to start from the cheapest ingredient to the most expensive, and we're going to do 3/4 of an ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. We are going to do 3/4 of an ounce of cherry liqueur. I'm using Luxardo. We are then going to do 3/4 of an ounce of one of my favorite gins ever. It is St. George's Botanivore gin. It's their classic style gin with plenty of floral botanical notes in it. Honestly, I would highly recommend you checking out St. George. Everything they do is just fantastic. I love them. No, they don't sponsor me. I wish. I would gladly rep anything that they make, anything at all. I've never had anything bad from St. George, and even their vodka, and I do not drink vodka. Their vodka is fantastic. But 3/4 of an ounce of our classic gin here, or classic styled gin in this case. And last but not least, we are going to be doing 3/4 of an ounce of our Green Chartreuse. Again, be very careful with this. It is liquid gold. So expensive, but so delicious. And then we are going to fill this bad boy up with ice and give it a nice couple shakes. Just enough to get our tin all frosty like. Pop it open. We're gonna grab our coupe. And again, we are going to double strain. And just like the Paper Plane and the Naked and Famous, this cocktail neither has nor needs a garnish. It is delicious all unto itself. And man, just look at that color. It's like a pale lime green, kind of cloudy, and it looks so nice. And now let's get to tasting it. So good, so good. It has that citrus from the lime. It's a little sweet from the cherry liqueur. The herbalness comes right through in that Green Chartreuse, and using a great gin like I did really brings some of those floral notes through. Again, 4 very kind of distant flavors get mashed up and create something beautiful and unique in the middle in this cocktail. And again, exquisite, out of this world cocktail. Everybody should try it at least once, especially considering how many people love all of the variations that people have created over the years. You gotta try the original. You gotta try it. It is just fantastic. Such a great cocktail. I could really just sit here all day talking about it. It is that good. Well, there you have it, guys. If you enjoyed this episode, I really appreciate it if you can come over here, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and share this video with your friend. Also, get down in the comments. Let me know what you thought of this cocktail. Let me know what cocktail I can make next. What do you think about the work that I'm doing here? I'm always looking to engage with the people who actually watch my videos, and I would really appreciate that. With that being said, we'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.